Bam Rodriguez, Mexican American, in the lower weight class. We have Rafael Espinosa El Divino with WBO. Man, I can keep going on, boy. Mexican boxing, man, we Mexican boxing is never gonna fall off. Was not a low blow at all. Yeah, it didn't look like a low blow though in the Usyk fight. So that yeah, you could get that rematch. I feel like for that you could say it deserve a rematch. Teofimo need to get back in the game for real. Yeah, he has a belt. He needs to go after. I feel like he needs to get in a unification belt, man. You're right, but it's going to win again. Usyk. Yeah, Usyk is hard to beat though. Bud will outbox Canelo, whose feet are in the mud. Once Canelo sparks Bud, then what you gonna say? You know what I'm saying? Big Al, exactly. Right, Turkey is tripping. But Canelo been crafty, Danny. We know this. Harvey Doc, remove him. Yes. If 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 he does bad job, then yes, he needs to be removed. Most def. I think Shakur beats Navarrete. That's what that's what most likely will happen. But that's a good fight. Even though Navarrete is a 130 pounder right now, you know. But yeah, that's a fight I'd like to see for sure. Canelo never be a legit prime A level fighter without controversy in his career. Billy Joe Saunders, what you talking about? Divino Elo needs to fight Inoue. Yeah, Divino's gonna spark Inoue, bro. That's my paisano right there, Michoacana all day. So you know who I'm rocking with. But yeah, that's a banger of a fight. Mad Dog H. Mexican boxing is what keeping boxing alive from boxers to fans. 1,000,000% Mad Dog. Yes, sir. Facts all the way. You're right. And people that say otherwise are haters. Cause yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Us fans and our Mexican, our fellow fighters, is what's keeping boxing alive in the USA and in Mexico for sure. Crawford is a sellout. Got cherry picked and he almost 40. He wants a retirement paycheck. We want Benavides. Yes, sir, Big Al. Yes, sir. You know what it is, cause uh, that's what I believe is happening. Turkey Alalshikh is paying Canelo Alvarez to cherry pick old man Bud Crawford. Yes, sir. Yeah, because that I would rather prefer David Benavides fight than the Crawford fight. But hey, a lot of people want to see Crawford laid out eating canvas. I'm watching. Like if I had glasses, you know what I'm saying? D1 hater, Mexican boxing goaded for real. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I can go back to Salvador Sanchez. You know what I'm saying? And just just fighters that give it their all. Highly skilled fighters. Fighters that have all the heart. Fighters that will